Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel flight in trip.com step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official trip.com website. Once the homepage opens, you will see different options like hotels, flights, trains, and more. Click on the flights option to continue. Now choose whether your booking is one-way, return, or multi-city. After that, enter your departure city and your destination place. Then select your travel dates and tap on the search button. After searching, you will see the list of available flights. For example, if you already booked a ticket, open your booking details from your account section. Here you can view your flight information, ticket class, travel dates, and booking status. Now scroll down carefully and look for the cancellation or refund policy section. Different ticket classes have different cancellation fees and refund rules. Some tickets may offer free cancellation within a certain time. Click on the cancellation option to continue. Trip.com will then show you the complete cancellation process along with the estimated refund amount and applicable charges. Read all the details carefully before proceeding. If you agree with the refund terms, confirm the cancellation request. After submission, Trip.com will process your request and send you an update through email or inside your account. If you face any issue, you can contact Trip.com customer support for further help. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.